A couple of ways to skim or seek a YouTube video. Let's say that I want to skip the intro and get right into the instructions. I can just hover my mouse over the line here and then slide my mouse. I'm not clicking, just sliding until I get past the intro screen, and I could see here's a spot where I'd like to be at maybe 29 seconds, and I just tap there on the line and I jump ahead 29 seconds. And let's say I want to skip ahead to maybe when they're actually using the OBS studio, maybe something like at 1:48, and I tap my mouse and it takes me right to that place. Another way to seek video is to seek the transcripts if they are available. And normally transcripts will be available if you see this CC, whether it's automatically generated or if the content creator added closed captions. What you'll do down here at the bottom right, click the ellipses. Click Open Transcript. You'll get a transcript either over here on the right or it'll be beneath the video, depending on your resolution. And let's say that I want to skip ahead in the video to where the presenter talks about Mac computers. I can hit Control F for find, type the word Mac, and I can see that there's 4 instances of Mac, and I just hit enter until I find the place. And here's the first one in the transcript. It happens at 7 seconds in, so I could tap here and jump right to that place in the video. I'm going to hit enter again, and let's go to 37 seconds in. I'll tap this, and notice I'm now at 37 seconds into the video where they talk about Windows, Mac, and Linux.